Welcome. This video showcases a groundbreaking Infoblox feature, NIOS-X as a service, demonstrating how it enables efficient network operations management and streamlines processes by delivering managed infrastructure-free DNS and DHCP to branch locations. Let's get started. In today's business world, the importance of strong DNS and DHCP at branch locations cannot be overstated. The reliability of these critical network services is essential for maintaining network stability and reducing the maintenance burden on IT teams. However, many enterprise IT leaders face significant challenges in deploying these critical network services, often using various solutions to manage their branch network infrastructure. DIY solutions often fall short in reliability and scalability, especially when managing multiple locations. On-prem devices require significant investment in local field staff and robust IT coordination. Both options require maintenance and oversight over time, adding to the problem. Introducing NIOS-X as a service, a new delivery method for Infoblox DDI that eliminates the need for additional infrastructure. With just a local router capable of DHCP relay and an IPsec tunnel, Infoblox can provide essential network services to branch locations. This approach removes the need for physical hardware at each branch, significantly reducing the complexity and costs of deploying and managing network infrastructure. With the Infoblox portal, your IT team can easily centralize and simplify the management of branch locations, handling DNS and DHCP configurations without needing to log into each machine to fix outages or make configuration adjustments. How easy is it to set up NIOS-X as a service? It only takes a few steps. First, we select what services are needed at our branch office. Then, we input the address of our branch location. This is the physical address of your new branch office, which requires Infoblox's critical network services. We also provide the WAN address of the router that exists at that branch location here. After that, we select the size of our NIOS-X, or how many sites these services will be provided to. This section also allows us to pick the POP or point of presence and define the IP that our tunneled clients will be reaching when getting DHCP leases and resolving domains. Finally, a router capable of creating an IPsec connection is required. DNS and DHCP services can be configured in the Infoblox portal just like any other Infoblox service. And just like that, we're up and running. This method is far easier and requires significantly less overhead than provisioning a physical or virtual machine for each branch. Plus, it eliminates the need for on-site setup, making the process much more efficient. From a client's perspective, NIOS-X as a service offers the same reliable performance as the Infoblox DDI they're familiar with. Using a simple Windows client on the local area network, we can see that this client is able to get a DHCP lease through the DHCP relay that was configured on the router, which is connected to Infoblox via an IPsec tunnel. Quickly, let's resolve www.infoblox.com, and as expected, it just works. With just a few steps, your branch office is now up and running with managed and logged DDI, all powered by NIOS-X as a service. NIOS-X as a service offers an optimized, infrastructure-free way to deliver centrally managed DDI for branches and other lightweight locations. This new Infoblox DDI delivery method alleviates many common pain points in network operations, saving both time and headaches. Thanks for watching.